Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our exercise 6.2. In this exercise, we will learn angle sum property, and exterior angle property. Now, what do you mean by angle sum property? This property states that sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Suppose this is a triangle ABC, and the sum of all interior angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. This property states that sum of all interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Now next property is exterior angle property. Next property is exterior angle property. This property states that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angle. This property states that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. It means that suppose this one is a triangle ABC. Suppose this is a angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. In this triangle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 lies inside the triangle. That's why angle 1, 2 and 3 are known as interior angle. But angle 4 lies outside the angle, outside the triangle. This means angle 4 is exterior angle. When angle lies outside the triangle, known as exterior angle. When angles lies inside the triangle, known as interior angles. Now, exterior angle property states that exterior angle is equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angle. Now, what is the opposite interior? What is the opposite angle of angle 4? Angle 1 and angle 2. Exterior angle property states the exterior angle is equal to sum. Sum means addition. Sum of two opposite interior angles. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now, exterior angle can be drawn as this one is also a exterior angle. Exterior angle can be drawn through angle A or through angle B or angle C. Now angle 3 and angle 4. In this triangle, angle 3 and angle 4 forms a linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair states that sum of linear pair angle is equal to 180 degree. Here angle 3 and angle 4 are linear pair angles. These forms 180 degree. Now the sum of linear pair angle is 180 degree. Let's do questions related to based on these two properties, angle sum property and the exterior angle property. Now question number 1 is, if angles of a triangle are in ratio 1:2:3, you have to find the measurement of angles. Now, let the angles Let the angles be x, 2x and 3x. Now it is given in the form of ratio. When there is a ratio, you have to consider some arbitrary constant. 1 means 1x, 2 means 2x, 3 means 3x. Now angle sum property states that sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now according to angle sum property, sum of all angles x plus 2x plus 3x, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. X plus 2x, 3x, 3x plus 3x, 6x is equals to 180 degree. Now, x is equals to 180 divided by 6. Cancel out by 6. Now, x is equals to 30 degree. Now, the measurements of angles are, first angle is x, 30 degree. Second angle is 2x, 2 multiplied by 30 degree, 60 degree. Third angle is 3x. 3 multiplied by 30 degree, 90 degree. Now the measurements of angle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. If we sum of all these angles, 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus 90, 180. Now the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Let's do another question. If one angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of other two angles, then what kind of triangle is it? What kind of triangle is it? In this question, we are given one angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of other two angles. Suppose this one is a triangle ABC. ABC. Now, one angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of other two angles. We can say that one angle of a triangle is sum of other two angles. Now, let us consider this equation as equation number 1. But we know that angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle A is equals to angle B plus angle C. Now put the value of angle B plus angle C from equation 1. Angle A plus angle A is equals to 180 degree. 1 plus 1, 2, angle A is equals to 180 degree. Now, angle A is equals to 180 divided by 2. That is 2 cancel out by 180, 90 degree. Angle A is equals to 90 degree. We know that when one of the angle is 90 degree, then this triangle is known as right angle triangle. What kind of a triangle is it? It is right angled triangle. It is right angle triangle when one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is right angle triangle. Let's take another question that is based on exterior angle property. If exterior angle of a triangle is 130 degree, if exterior angle of a triangle is, exterior angle means lies outside the triangle. If exterior angle of a triangle is 180 degree, 130 degree and its interior opposite angles are equal. Interior opposite angles. What are the opposite angle of this one? These two are interior opposite angles. These two angles are equal. Suppose x and x. Then find the measurement of each interior opposite angle. You have to find the measurement of x. Now, exterior angle property states that exterior angle property states that exterior angle is equals to the sum of opposite interior angles. Now 130 is equals to x plus x is 2x. 2 comes this side, it becomes 130 divided by 2 is equals to x. 2 is cancelled out with 130. 2 6 are 12. 2 5 are 10. Now x is equals to 65 degree. This becomes 65 degree. This becomes 65 degree. Now the sum of opposite interior angle is 65 plus 65. It becomes 130 degree. Now the sum of two opposite interior angle is 130 degree. You have to find the measurement of x means interior angle. Now the interior angle is 65 degree. In this way you can solve questions based on two properties, exterior angle property and angle sum property. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you.